168. 168 is a Hollywood mini hip hop line. This is Sugar.
You pick 'em up, don't leave me hanging. Hey, come give me some. When I'm without you, I'm so insecure. You are the one thing I'm living for. I wanna be needing your love, I just wanna be deep in your love. It's killing me when you're away. Oh baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And we're gonna get one little taste. You sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love, a little sympathy. Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. You sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me?
I got them 9-laters and Jolly Ranchers too. It ain't a question, but I got the answers too. These shoes is Cavalli and the Panthers too. Like when I see them, I'ma strip like the dancers do. I'ma show them how to do it like the pamphlets do. Show these girls how to do it off campus too. Yo, as long as you know he got the baddest, I'm flat. I'm the only one that he answers to.
I want that red and velvet, I want that sugar sweet. Don't let nobody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be a man, there ain't no other way. This girl ain't hotter than the Southern California day. I don't wanna play no games, you gotta be afraid. Look at me, all that shiny shit, no makeup on, that's my sugar. Yes, please.
Thank you, dancers.